Hello there. I'm going to do some tutorials on ScreenCast-O-Matic. ScreenCast-O-Matic is a very affordable option, and there are some features that I'd like to demonstrate to you. But the first thing that I want to show you is how to actually record a screen capture video. So to do that, you click on this Launch Recorder button. I'm here in ScreenCastOMatic.com. You'll have to create an account, and then you probably will want to upgrade to at least the deluxe version. You might not need the premier version. So I'm going to go ahead and launch my recorder. It takes a moment. All right, my recorder is launched. Now I have a couple of options here. I have a size option. I can choose to just record that portion of my screen. You see these bounding box here. Only the things inside that box will be recorded. I prefer to do full screen, the whole shebang and sheboizel. I'm going to be recording both the screen and the webcam, so I've selected both here. I don't have a max time because I went ahead and got an account. You might, again, you'll be limited to 15 minutes, which isn't too bad. We only want our videos to be 5 to 7 minutes anyway, but if you do that, then if you just use the free version, then you won't get some of the editing features that you might want. So upgrading to a subscription does give you the option of having a video longer than 15 minutes. I've set my size. This is my microphone. I'm using this Yeti Nano microphone, and it looked like it was getting a little bit hot there, so I'm going to back this off a little bit. There's also an auto adjust volume button. You can click on that. And you just start talking and it adjusts your microphone until it is optimized to your speaking voice. Click OK. And I can also record my computer audio. Again, this is a feature of the deluxe subscription plan. If you have the free subscription plan, you won't be able to hear the computer audio in your screen capture lectures. So if you're going to watch a portion of a YouTube video, pause it and talk about it, your students would not get the audio of that video. You need at least the deluxe plan to use that capture computer audio. And here I've got it set to yes. And so I'm ready to start recording. I click this record button down here in the lower left. I'll click it, and in 3, 2, 1, I'm recording. So now I'm going to go into my PowerPoint, go ahead and start it from this beginning slide. And I can just go ahead and lecture. Now you'll see this little picture-in-picture. You can actually move it while you're lecturing. It will save that you have moved that screen, that webcam portion of it. There's another handy little feature. If, for example, you want to give just a little bit of an intro, you can do that like this. And instead of a picture-in-picture, your webcam takes mostly the full screen and it kind of blurs out what's behind it. You can then go back to picture-in-picture by clicking this icon here. Or if you wanted to hide your webcam for a time, you can also click this empty. And even though you'll continue to see the webcam, you need to so you have access to these buttons, it won't actually be put on the recording itself. I'll go back to picture-in-picture. And then I will click into my PowerPoint to do the next transition. And I might want to talk about the general characteristics of setup. Here, maybe I move my webcam right there. I can click through my PowerPoint to talk about lighting, talk about background distractions, your webcam and angle, your microphone, how quality sound is going to be important. And then there is that reference, citation. When I'm done recording, I click on the pause button, and then I click on done. And that, from here, you have the option to save or upload it. You can do that, and I will show you these steps later on. Quick share, one-click upload and copy link to share. And then you can edit the video. The editing of the video only works, well, you can trim beginning and end points with the basic editor. After you hit the deluxe subscription, you get a little bit more options, and I'm going to show you those in a later video. But probably what you normally want to do when you're done recording a video is hit that edit video, edit it right then, and then you have the options of how you want to publish it. All of that is coming in a future video. In this video, we looked at how to launch the recorder, and we looked at how to record your lecture, move the picture-in-picture, change the setting, and how to stop the recording. All right, I'll see you soon.